This video is for all of my plus size, beautiful, curvy girlies who want to take sexy, spicy selfies at home, but don't know where to start. So I want to let you know it's not much different than the traditional boudoir poses that I do here in the studio with everybody. Boudoir does not discriminate. There are certain things that work better than others if you're trying to minimize or draw attention away from certain areas. And I'm going to show you how. Now I'm gonna start by saying boudoir, no matter shape or size, goes off of comfort level. So I'm gonna give you a variation of using a sheet to kind of conceal the areas that we aren't really fond of yet, and also ones that we can use without the sheet. So this is all depending upon what you're looking for, your comfort level, and how far you wanna go. So just like the person that said in that comment how she has had the weight loss, with that comes extra loose skin. That just comes with the weight loss. There are ways that you can minimize that by stretching your skin and pulling your body in different ways and not drawing attention to the looser areas. So I'm gonna start with just sitting on the bed. So you can see how my knees are back like this. You're gonna be tightening the skin here. Sometimes loose skin gets on the backs of the arms. Just by having your arms slightly back like this with your hands here, do you see how it completely brought everything, not bringing attention to that and bringing more attention to here? Now, this is an area that a lot of women are concerned about and don't want to draw attention to. So you can wear a cute pair of bottoms and have a cute oversized t-shirt, maybe an oversized sweatshirt, just hanging off the shoulder, and where it has a little bit more pull. So you can kind of take some of it and kind of just give a pull down. And that is super, super sexy. If you didn't have a shirt and didn't want to do that, I have a tank top under here, okay? Don't be getting excited. So this here, if you have the sheet, same thing. Just kind of tuck the rest of it underneath your legs and just have a little bit of it come up like this. So bring your arms back again and kind of angle it to where your arm is back. Your hand can come up through your hair. Now we don't want to do this because a lot of the skin is here. So we're gonna kind of keep it down and we're gonna show more of our forearm so it doesn't draw attention to that. I'm also gonna give you another variation showing the booty. So we can do that because I know sometimes with the loose skin, it can flatten the booty, and I'm gonna show you how to stretch that and make your booty pop. Now this one works a little bit better on a couch, but to show you off the bed, you're gonna lay flat and bring this leg forward, hanging off. It's going to block the front, and you can kind of just angle it however you want. Of course, you can incorporate the sheet as well, and you can be more tangled in the sheet. So you can have it have the length of the sheet in between your legs. This leg comes over, so to block anything, and you kind of just bunch the sheet up in here. That's another really beautiful variation, classy and sexy. Now the next one, we're not gonna use the sheet, but it's all about the angle and where you have the camera. I have a ring stand here. If you can get one, it's gonna make this job so much easier. If not, prop it up on a bookshelf. But you're gonna angle slightly away, and you're gonna have your legs staggered. Okay, head comes back, and you're gonna have your hands up like this. So your arm and your hands should be kind of blocking it, but you're stretching your belly. That is another one that is really, really beautiful. And again, you can drape the sheet over your tummy if you wish. This is another great one for the tushy. I love this no matter what. During sessions, I just love this. So you're gonna hold it horizontally, lengthwise, and you're just gonna swoop it under your tush and up through here to where you just see the back end, and you're gonna slightly turn your body towards the camera, and you're gonna kind of lean back, and you're just gonna be just like that. You've got this. Go slow, don't give up, and take it a little at a time, and you will fall in love with yourself. Don't forget to join my public Facebook group. It's Boudoir by Nina Rose. Confidence starts here for more tutorials and tips and tricks on how to boost your self-esteem, your confidence, and take your own spicy selfies. Love you guys.